Hello Australia, hello world, this is Jamie the Crypto Koala. Now today we're going to look at the markets and we're going to look at some news. A big thank you to all you guys that have been hitting that like button and been subscribing. Bitcoin, and we're going to look at Bitcoin Cash in the marketplace and how it's gone steady. We're going to look at some big gainers recently. We're going to look at Bitcoins. We're going to look at the new Neon Gold. We're going to look at the Raiden network, and we're going to look at the Open Trading network. We're going to look at Bitcoin in Zimbabwe and how Bitcoin exchanges are charging a huge premium for Bitcoin. We're going to look at MasterCard and how MasterCard is currently putting in a patent for instantaneous transactions on the blockchain. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not giving trade advice. Guys, do your research. I'm just a guy that makes YouTube videos for you to enjoy. Okay, let's crack on. It's all been about this week is Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. Earlier on last week it was SegWit 2x and how it got cancelled. I honestly thought that all the money from the marketplace, all the money that was going to put in SegWit 2x was going to go to all the alternate coins. It just proves how unpredictable the market is. Instead, a lot of people have put their money into Bitcoin Cash. There's a huge pump earlier on in the week, and as you can see that there was a correlation between the two. Bitcoin Cash dropping down and Bitcoin going down and Bitcoin Cash going up. It's coincidental, it happened at the same sort of time, and it makes you wonder that people, they've just moved to Bitcoin Cash. There's a massive pump, it was huge, but it does seem now it has steadied out. So it seems like the hype is over and it has steadied out for Bitcoin Cash. Now let's have a look at the some of the big gainers for the week. Just have a quick browse at some of the main performing coins that have been doing really well. Now the alternative coins, just a sea of green. It seems to be now, after Bitcoin Cash, the huge amount of money that's gone to Bitcoin Cash, now it seems to be a lot of people are buying into alternative coins, and we're starting to see some real big green double digits happening on CoinMarketCap here. IOTA's doing pretty good at the moment. Lisk is doing really good at the moment, just below 20%. Some of the other ones we'll look at is Stellar Lumens, that's pretty good. So that's just a brief look at the top 50 there at the moment. Then these a few that's really caught my eye and that's really climbed up within the last few days is Open Trading network. Now Open Trading network has risen about 30% within the last few days. Now it recently come onto exchanges about 2 weeks ago. Some exchanges that it is currently trading on at the moment is Cryptotopia, which is a New Zealand exchange, Livecoin, Yobit and EtherDelta. Now what Open Trading Network is looking at doing is to be the first platform that offers cross-chain technology to unite all blockchain networks and market participants and ensure the best interests. So you got Litecoin and you got Bitcoin. It's for them to be able to cross-chain against a decentralized exchange, which has been pretty good, and it would be the future. If they achieve this, it'll be really good. So an Open Trading network is about 100% collateralized decentralized exchange, which will fully secure exchange between the blockchain networks. This is the Raiden network token, which has climbed up 40% recently. Now Raiden has climbed the rankings as well, which is ranked about 55 at the moment. It's only been on the exchanges for about a week and it's already climbed quite rapidly. It's gone from starting off at being under $1 USD, and now it's currently sitting at 2.4 USD. So it's doubled. It's doubled within a week, over doubled in a week. And some exchanges that it's on at the moment is Binance, Ether Delta, Gate.io. So most of the money is coming from Binance at the moment. That's most of the money is going into the Raiden Network token. Now, the Raiden Network token that is aiming to be a fast, cheap, scalable token transfer for Ethereum. So that is the Raiden Network. So let's look at Bitcoins. Bitcoins at the moment on the marketplace has been doing quite well. Now, recently, it got announced that it was going on to Robinhood. It won the competition, and it is currently being listed on Robinhood. Let's see if I can find the news there. But yeah, it won the competition, and it's going to be listed on Robinhood, which is really good news for Bitcoins. And also Suppo Man, Savage Cash, he has written that I'll pay 10,000 Bitcoins for a couple of pizzas, like maybe 2 large ones, so have some left over for the next day. Big shout out to Suppo Man. He's a really big Bitcoins fan. I'm a big Bitcoins fan. I really believe in it. It's got a poll going on at the moment. So people are asking, here it goes, which was the best ICO at 2017? And he's got Bitcoins and Amisego. I like Amisego as well, but I am going to vote for Bitcoins. Yeah, because I think it's one of the best at ICO. Paraledger being second. Paraledger, or maybe could beat Bitcoins there, but yeah, Paraledger's being most probably one of my favourite ICOs of this year so far. So Neo Gold. Now Neo Gold has just popped out of nowhere, and it is skyrocketed. It's only just come onto exchanges literally today, a couple of days, and it's gone from 0.01 USD, and it's gone up to 0.08. So it's a rapid climb, over 200% gain. Wow, that's huge. It's only on 2 exchanges. I ain't even heard of them exchanges. Matatuk. Yeah, so this is our website, Neo Gold, and they're looking at being on Bitcoins, Bittrex, Bitfinex, and Binance. So they can get on there, be pretty big exchanges. It's early days yet. They've only just come onto the marketplace. Now this is Bitcoin in Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe have got a huge problem with their currency, hyperinflation. Bitcoin will solve that problem, or cryptocurrencies will solve that problem. So Bitcoin is trading at a huge premium on the local Zimbabwean exchanges. It's struggling about with hyperinflation. Now Bitcoin was selling on the local exchanges, which their exchange over there is Golex.com, at $1,250, which is a substantial premium. So it seems like the exchanges is charging the people on the exchanges a phenomenal amount of money just for trading Bitcoin. So if I was in Zimbabwe, you would try and get into exchanges elsewhere, which would be pretty hard, because if you've only got Zimbabwean dollars, I believe it would be dollars, and if that's the only currency you got, then wouldn't maybe only Zimbabwean exchanges would accept that. So yeah, it really is a bummer for the Zimbabwean people. So it's nearly doubled the price in the US, and is likely connected to difficulty in obtaining access to other international exchanges. So hopefully, there's down the track, they are able to access an international exchange. Maybe a decentralized exchange down the future will allow Zimbabweans to use Zimbabwean dollars to get into cryptocurrency, which Bitcoin is not hyperinflation, which is yeah, which is ruining the country, just like Venezuela at the moment. Now let's look at MasterCard. Now MasterCard is currently filing a patent for instantaneous payments using blockchain technology. Now the patent is going to the US Patent and Trademarks data system, which was the 9th of this month. So I guess MasterCard want to get in on the action. They want to utilize blockchain technology because they're realizing how good it is. So that is MasterCard. So there's some crypto news and crypto markets for you guys. I hope you've enjoyed my video. If you have enjoyed my video, please like and please subscribe. The links are below to all the articles that I've mentioned. If you want to check them out, they're just down below. Now I'm on Steam, I'm on Twitter, guys. I love talking about cryptocurrency. So yeah, if you want to get in a conversation, just send me a message, guys, or write on my Twitter account or my Steam account. Or write in the comments below on YouTube. Now guys, happy crypto trading, and I'll catch you later.